All right, so I'm using my teeny tiny little tweezers. Grab this rusty screw. You can see it. So you can basically see that. I mean, there's rust on there. So pinching the screw. It's getting some apple cider vinegar here. And that went flying across my kitchen. Here it is. Get everything plugged up here so if it does fly, it's really not going very far. Yeah, that's a lot better. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. Let's get that end. The screw. Wow. So that worked even better than I thought it would. So yeah, it's just apple cider vinegar on. This is the pivot screw right here. So we're gonna let that soak a little more. Let's see if there are any other screws in here that are just like really bad. This one's pretty bad. Flying again. Right by my foot. Yeah, let's get that. Drop in the camera. So anyways, while I'll do this, I guess I'll just kind of talk to you guys. So making things as like premium feeling as I can and getting off all the little edges and all kinds of stuff like that is what I do a lot. I'm kind of obsessive. In case you haven't noticed, if there are any other little tips you guys or want me to show you, or if you have any questions about anything, drop them in the comments, whatever. Wow, look at that big chunk of rust that just came off. You guys, that's amazing. I'm so happy I'm doing this on camera. I mean, I see people on their channels maintaining their knives, but it's nothing as detailed as this. This is like extremely detailed knife maintenance, and that's what I like to do. I like to take even just like $10 whatever, I'll make it as premium feeling as I can. I know I'm a perfectionist, but if you like doing this kind of stuff to your knives, or just your gear in general, that's what this channel is. So I hope these little tips help people, help the EDC community, knife community, whatever you want to call it these days. That's a lot better. All right, I think I got all of them. If I didn't, I'll just keep going at them until they're all nice and cleaned up there. But yeah, you guys get the idea.